A very good evening to all of you. Uncle, a big congratulations to you on the book. It will give us an insight as to what you have been through, the journey that you have been through, how the educational system has changed, how the students have changed, and it will be a nice insight to have. Teaching, if you ask me, teaching it's an art, because as a teacher, you have to make it as simple as possible for the student to understand. And in a class, you have to get to each and every student, and all of them, they have a different IQ level. So I feel it's not only a profession, it's an art where you also discipline the student and you actually tell them about their strength and their weaknesses and you groom them. So I've always been a big fan of the teachers that I had got, throughout my schooling. I've never been to a college, but I think I did quite well. The beauty about an evening like this is, we had panelists on stage, different generation. But the beauty is they speak about their journey and you actually relive the moment. It may be like 40 years back, 50 years back, different generations. So a couple of them maybe 15, 20 years back. But the beauty is once we make a video out of it and we gave it to the kids and their grandkids and they'll be like, Dada, you were the same. What I do in school and college, you were the same. So that's the beauty about an evening like this. When it comes to, I think you have got a lovely family. All the kids have done really well. The grandkids are here. I think you are having a fantastic time with all the kids and the grandkids. And that's what we all cherish. So I would like to wish you a fantastic life ahead. Enjoy each and every moment. Though I have doubt about Dr. Sajid's certificate. The first time he met me, he was like, I'm a doctor, but I don't practice. So that time I had not opened up to him. So I was like, I also have a doctorate and I also don't practice. So I think we are on the same table. But Uncle, thank you for having us over. Have a fantastic time with your family. And thanks again for what you have given back to the society. And I feel as a teacher, as a professor, I would like to thank everyone who's over here. Thanks for your contribution.
Thank you, thank you. So very well put. Thanks a lot for the lovely words. Thank you. I'll go segue straight to Torino Thomas.